everyone, you can watch my videos in your first language now. Click the settings button, audio track, and select a language of your choice. Like Portuguese.
E detalhado sobre o vídeo do Starboard, configurar niveles e outras funções.
3% logo ne hi mere channel ko subscribe.
Di video kali ini, saya akan menunjukkan cara mengatur.
皆さん、こんにちは。このビデオでは、スタトックの設定方法。
You'll find other options too, like French, German, Italian, and Polish. So enjoy! There are 2 available quests that give you 1,400 orbs. But you can't see them unless you live in the United States. See, I cannot see those quests. But when I changed my location to the US and refreshed the page, the quests have suddenly started appearing for me. The first one is Black Phone 2. This is a puzzle quest and a little bit tricky, so make sure to not skip the video as I will give you a full walkthrough. Make sure to also download your PC Discord app and log in there. Once you click launch the quest, it will start on your PC app. Phone users? Don't flood my comment section asking about how to do it on your phone. I have no clue. Just borrow a PC from your parents or buy one. Now, let's get started with this horror puzzle game. First, grab that flashlight so you can see things in the dark. Now you will hear a telephone ringing inside the phone booth. Do not enter it just yet. Click the upward arrow to just go near the booth. Now look at your right-hand side. You will find the first feather tucked inside the corner of the booth. Take it. You need to collect 6 of them. Now look towards your right-hand side. You will find the second feather on the wood logs covered with sand. Now, as for the third feather, look at the top of the booth on the center. The fourth feather is at the left-hand side of the booth. It is on the sand. That's the fourth feather. The fifth feather is not too far, just at the left on the wood logs. The sixth feather is on the left-hand side of the phone booth's top. There we have it. We have collected the 6 feathers outside the phone booth. Click back, and now enter the telephone booth. Now, let's enter and investigate. The 7th feather is on the right-hand side of the phone. You will find the 8th feather on the floor of the booth. And with that, you will get the collector's title. Now that we got over with this, let's answer the phone.
What do you think happens when you die?
Nothing too special. Hope you didn't get jump scared. Anyway, just dial the number that's mentioned on the phone, 32597, which is service number. Now pick that small key, take it, and open the box. It's right below the service phone number. Now you will find a jaw diagram with the number of teeth. On the back side, it says to dial the number of missing teeth. On the floor, you will find a jaw. Pick it up. You will find some missing teeth. You can scour it and move around. You will find that number 23468 teeth are missing, so that's your phone number that you are supposed to dial up. So, let's dial up 23468 and see who answers it. You will find a black balloon floating near you outside of the phone booth. It seems to be carrying something. Now a message appears, grabber is coming. You will hear his footsteps. Notice that demon head. Act before it turns fully white. Now this looks some sort of a leaflet, and behind it the second circle is missing. See towards your left. Underneath the logs, you will find a wallet. Pick it up and open it. You'll find a QR code and a coin minted with demon face on it. Now we need to find that second missing slot that was on the leaflet. Enter the telephone booth. Found it. See the top of the telephone where it says 25, 10, and 5. After entering the coin, dial the new numbers 33, 888.
Did you think that our story was over? You hope people know that dead is just a word.
Now you'll hear beeping sound. Exit the booth and look on the floor of the booth. Pick that thingy up which looks like a time bomb or something. As it happens, this thing is just an alarm clock. Click the option to wake up. I don't think you want to spend more time in a place like that. So, yep, when you see this page, just click out. Anyway, Black Phone 2 is a new horror movie. You can check out its trailer. And you can even check the tickets, which are only available in the US, UK, and Canada. Once that's done, just claim your 700 orbs, but wait, there's another quest called How to Train Your Dragon. You'll also require to use your VPN and change the location to the United States to see this quest. So there we have it, that's 700 orbs from one quest, and then there is another 700 orbs from the second quest, and that's 1,400 orbs in total. So that's it, everybody. If you like this video, hit the like and subscribe button and join my Discord server to get the quest links.